Welcome, dear soul. This is your time. A moment to let go. To breathe. To come home to yourself. Find a comfortable position, whether seated or lying down. Allow your body to begin settling. Let your hands rest gently. Soften your gaze or close your eyes completely. Now, take a deep breath in through your nose. And exhale slowly through your mouth. Let's do that again. Inhale deeply. And exhale fully. Feel your shoulders drop just a little. Feel your jaw unclench. Feel yourself arriving in this moment. Let your breath become your anchor. You don't need to control it, just notice. Notice the gentle rise and fall. Each breath like a wave, rolling in and drifting out. With every breath, imagine you're creating space inside, space where tension can loosen, space where clarity can return, space where peace can rise. If your thoughts drift, that's okay. Just gently return to your breath. No judgment, only kindness. Now, we'll gently scan your body, inviting every part of you to relax and let go. Begin at the top of your head. Imagine a warm, soft light above you. It slowly begins to pour down, like golden honey, or gentle sunlight. As it touches your scalp, feel any tension melt. Your forehead softens. Your eyebrows release. Your eyes rest deeply in their sockets. The warm light moves to your cheeks, your jaw, your tongue. Let it all soften. Now, let this warm light flow down into your neck and shoulders. Wherever you carry stress, allow the light to dissolve it. Feel your shoulders drop even more. Unclench. Unwind. The light continues down your arms, into your hands and fingers. They feel heavy, warm, and still. Now, into your chest. Feel your heart center. Imagine the breath gently massaging your chest. With every inhale, calm. With every exhale, release. Let the light soften your stomach, your abdomen, your lower back. Let it flood your hips, your thighs, knees, calves, and finally your feet, all the way down to your toes. Your entire body is now bathed in warm, calming light. Safe, relaxed, held. Now that the body has softened, we turn inward. Imagine that anxiety is like a cloud inside you, a shape, a color, a weight. It might be in your chest, your stomach, your throat. Wherever it lives, go there gently now with your awareness. Not to fight it, not to push it away, but to witness it, to allow it. You are safe to feel. Now, imagine this anxiety beginning to lift. With each breath, it rises, loosens, dissolves, as if a wind is gently blowing it away. Breathe in, I allow calm. Breathe out, I release fear. Again. Inhale, I am safe. Exhale, I let go. Feel the heaviness lightening, the fear losing its grip, the worry unwinding. You are not your anxiety. You are the witness, the one who breathes, the one who heals. Now that we've released some of the weight, let's replace it with healing words. You can silently repeat after me, or just let the words wash over you like waves. I am safe in this moment. I am calm. I am clear. I allow peace to fill me. I let go of what no longer serves me. Each breath is a doorway to healing. I choose to return to balance. Stress does not define me. Anxiety is only temporary. Peace is my true nature. I trust the process of life. I am enough. I am whole. I am healing right now. Feel each phrase like a gentle touch to your nervous system, reassuring you, supporting you, loving you. Now, imagine you're standing at the edge of a beautiful forest. The air is crisp, fresh. A gentle wind moves through the tall trees. Sunlight filters through the leaves in golden beams. This is your sanctuary, your inner refuge. You take a step forward. The ground is soft beneath your feet. Each step takes you deeper into peace, deeper into presence. You come upon a small clearing with soft grass and wildflowers. In the center, a gentle stream flows, clear, cool, healing. You kneel by the water. And as you look at your reflection, you see yourself glowing, light-filled, grounded, free. Now, scoop the water with your hands and let it wash over your heart space. Let it cleanse any remnants of fear or tension. The water sparkles as it carries it all away. You sit in the grass now, surrounded by stillness, by trees that have stood for centuries. They whisper, "You are strong. You are supported." Let this place fill you. Let it heal you. This is always within you. Begin to return gently. Bring your awareness back to your breath. Feel the inhale and the exhale. Wiggle your fingers and toes. Notice the surface beneath you. You are safe. You are here. Place one hand over your heart and one over your belly. Feel the life within you. Feel the quiet, the peace you've created. This moment was for you. Even just a few minutes of presence can shift your entire day. You've chosen to care for yourself, to come back home. And that is something to celebrate. Come back to this meditation anytime you feel overwhelmed. You are never alone on this path. You are strong. You are healing. You are deeply loved. If this meditation brought you even a little more peace today, I invite you to subscribe to this channel for more healing meditations like this one. Each session is created with love and care to support your inner calm. Subscribe so you never miss a moment to breathe, release, and return to yourself. Until next time, may you be well. May you be free. And may you always remember the peace that lives within you.